Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear some doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. So you can stay tuned for that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Aries, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Abyss of Stars in reverse, Moon and Five of Spheres. So Aries, in your circumstances, you are feeling confident about something, confident about your situation, confident about your future. You may have a lot of hopes riding. You are wishing for good things in your future, expecting good things. But you need to be really careful if you are making some important decisions. You need to be really careful because there are certain things happening that may inspire you to dream a lot, feel really cheerful, have a lot of fantasies about your life, about your future. But truth is something different. You must see your practical reality. There may be some difficulties. You are not aware because you are seeing your situation with those dreamy eyes. You must see the practical truth. So maybe the people you work with, they are not telling you the complete truth, or it may be your energy in this relationship. So you need a lot of focus and attention if you want success in your career. The same way in your relationship, you need to change the way you perceive your situation. Maybe just dreaming or having plans for future is not enough. You must have a strong determination and willpower. So you are really struggling to find that balance in this relationship. You are working really hard, doing your best, but still there are troubles. You may have a level of understanding, but there may be some arguments, stressful circumstances you both have in this connection. So though you are willing to change yourself, maybe this person is not understanding you or you are not understanding them. So some troubles are there in this relationship, and the reason things are not resolving maybe because this person is criticizing you, or they are very much angry with you for some reason. So they are not having that, they are least bit bothered about you or about this relationship or the way things are going. So they don't want to mend the situation. Maybe they are thinking of moving away from you, and they are very much angry with you for some reason. We don't know what it is. We'll see what is the card for your. It's the Magician. So maybe your cheerfulness or your inspired outlook on life, your diplomacy may change things. Maybe for some of you, This relationship may take a positive turn, things may change from now on, and this person may realize your love, they may understand you, and they may come back to you. For some of you, I see that your situation will resolve, Aries. Maybe they will cool down, they will give up their anger, and circumstances may change. So, for your career situation, we have one card, and it is Nine of Spheres. So, good changes are happening in your work, something giving you happiness, something giving you something taking you towards success and prosperity, and you feel sense of satisfaction about your career. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. That is the reading for you all today, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Kyanite. It's a crystal spirit card. So with this card, the energy is that maybe we may feel that we are the ones with the best ideas or best solution in any situation. But this crystal is here to remind us that we need to be a better person today. We need to be really diplomatic. Try to connect with another person in a very mutual way, in a loving way. So there is a reason for you to be with this person right now. So this crystal just asks us to connect with the other person, honor their views and ideas, just like you wish for that person to honor your views and ideas, and learn to be very much diplomatic. So instead of trying to sway this other person's decision with logic, we can try it out with love. Reach out to them with love and try to find harmony in our relationship. And there is a reason you have attracted this person towards you, and maybe if you feel that you are the one doing all the emotional work and this person is not being responsible, this crystal also gives that energy that you can end that relationship. You can say no if you feel that you have done so much but still there is no way you can find that balance in this relationship. So it is okay to say no. It is your choice to free yourself from conflict. So this crystal spirit just asks us to be better, to be diplomatic. Try to do your best in any relationship. Try to find that harmony and balance, and meditating with this crystal just clears, detoxes all our chakra points and brings harmony in our situation. And it is a crystal that promotes diplomacy. So being really friendly and respecting the other person, just like you wish for everyone to respect you. So we must have that energy today. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So with this card for y'all today, maybe we need to let go of all our expectations in our life today, in our relationship. Maybe what is meant to be ours will never be withheld from us. So miracles are right here and it will show up at the right time. And love, the same way, love will be right on time. So just like our physical body that has a particular cycle, a particular productive cycle, everything has its season, and love is divine, and at that appropriate timing everything will unfold as it should. And remember that you always have time for love, to find it, to nurture it, to give and receive love. And this clock is eternal, just like the beating of the heart. So whatever is the most apt relationship, whatever connection is most suitable for you, it will come at that right time, and love is always on time. So you can just relax, give up your anxiety, and divine appropriate timing is working in your relationship, and you can relax. That is the energy here with this card. So you may have some worries, thinking about this love, why situation is going in a particular way, and what is the reason you are not yet engaged, or you are not stepping up into a committed relationship yet, or you are not finding the person you love. You need to understand that at that divine appropriate timing everything will fall into place. You can just relax and have that trust in your situation. So that is the energy here with this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.